So you want to create your own app? Well, let me introduce you to AppSheet, the ultimate tool for turning your ideas into reality. With AppSheet, you don't need to be a coding genius to build powerful apps. Trust me, I'm no expert either. First, you'll start by connecting your data source, whether it's a spreadsheet or a database. Then, AppSheet's magic kicks in. It automatically analyzes your data and generates a user-friendly interface. It's like having your own personal app designer. But wait, there's more. AppSheet allows you to customize your app to fit your needs. You can add buttons, forms, and even integrate with other services like Google Maps or Dropbox. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can preview your app in real time on your phone. No more waiting for days to see if your changes worked. It's instant gratification for app creators like us. So, whether you're building an app for your business, a personal project, or just for fun, AppSheet has got your back. It's time to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life. Get started with AppSheet today and become the app creator you've always wanted to be. Trust me, you won't regret it.